The Jokaso unit came to me when I was talking to, more specifically, Philippines. At that time, these communities had no knowledge whatsoever of any kind of wastewater. Drinking water is one thing, but down the line, these communities will also need cleaner drinking water. And even if a house down the line is discharging bad sewage, communities down the line will have issues with their drinking water. So proper wastewater systems are actually a big necessity for these small communities. So when we started talking to partners in Japan, we were trying to look for a solution for them for their wastewater problem, and the Jokaso was literally the only technology that came for them. The fact that you can have a facility just like this packaged into a small system. The Jokaso unit would essentially just be transported into the small community, installed, instead of having multiple trucks coming in and out.
Alberta Innovates wanted to fund this project because it aims to evaluate a technology that's been adopted for wastewater treatment in Japan, but you need to test it in Canadian cold climates, and Alberta is the perfect place to do that.
Working with Japan Sewage Works, FujiClean, LM Wastewater has been a really great experience for ACWA and the University of Calgary to enable us to collaborate with international partners in improving water treatment. Utilizing the ACWA facilities embedded at a wastewater treatment plant here at the City of Calgary, we're going to learn a lot about how this technology will work in a cold climate. We spray foamed, insulated the whole thing. We've given it its best chance of success.
Working with the university gives us a chance to learn from Canada's one of top teams in wastewater sector. Through this collaboration, we can test and improve our technologies in a very different climate and environment. Exchanging our knowledge will strengthen Japan Sewage Works Agency's capability. ACWA and the University of Calgary are internationally recognized for their cutting-edge research with extensive knowledge in wastewater sector and state-of-the-art lab facilities and commitment to solving global water challenges makes them ideal partners.
Improving water quality from wastewater discharge improves water quality in the communities and also overall improves community health.
If we can demonstrate cold climate efficacy, this will provide distributed water treatment systems for small and remote communities in Canada that use less energy, take less of a footprint, and are easier to operate with few maintenance requirements. Source water protection, really boils down to everybody's drinking water is somebody's wastewater.